5-minute brain break. Let's go. Sometimes we just need to move our body, regain our focus, concentration, creativity. We're just gonna move for 5 minutes. 5 simple exercises. Let's go. The step jack here, short and sweet. We're gonna be energized. Our mood is gonna be elevated, and we are going to be more productive once we finish this 5 minutes of movement. Let's have some fun. If you got a small amount of space, that's all you need. I got this beautiful gym to work in right now, lucky for me. But if you only have a small amount of space, we're gonna use just this space that I'm in virtually. We can just sort of get a little more movement into it, get a little deeper into the stretch, finding movements that just increase our mood and elevate our energy. Okay, we're gonna, if you can, we just wanna do a little bit of lateral movement. So if you don't have a lot of space, just this is terrific. And we can get our arms involved. So we are building some strength, mobility. Can we build strength in one workout? We can't. We compound workout day after day. We absolutely will. But 5 minutes can elevate our mood and boost our energy every time. Help us to get back into that creative mode. Remember to breathe, have some fun. Okay, shake it out. We feeling good yet? Squat pulse. This move, anytime, even for 30 seconds when you just need a quick bit of movement, is gonna help you to build strength. Really increase your energy. Any one of these exercises, just do those. You only got a minute to move. It makes such a difference. We know that people that use their breaks and move are more productive, can think more clearly, more positive. There's just so many great attributes to moving our body. A couple more. And yeah, okay. Bend and twist. Bend your knees as much as you need to and get down, touch the ground. Just keep moving. You can slow it down if you like. Real intentional movement is great. Especially if you've been sitting all day, this is a great exercise. Loosen up the lower back. Build strength in our legs. Okay, same movement. Come down, but then come up on your tippy toes. Down, up on the tippy toes. Working on some balance here, but really engaging those leg muscles. Especially if we've been sitting. Come up. If you fall, it's okay. One more. Okay, last one. Cross body punch. Maybe things are frustrating you today. You gotta get back at some work that's challenging. Punch the stress away, the frustrations. You're strong. Maybe you get the legs involved. Find a nice pace. Nice rhythm. Oh yeah, I think I can. Oh, I'm strong, I'm smart, I'm good enough. Oh yeah, you are. And that's it. Go about your day. Be positive, be productive, be full of joy. See you soon.